nigga. Just watch a young nigga, just keep it cordial. I can put bro on your ass. Put a cord on me, make these niggas be mad. I run a corner like I may be in my bag. Shit boring, look hood with a whole lot of trying to put quarters up, man, a whole lot of cash.
Genuinely, what are you doing?
I'm recording.
You recording now? Alright, man. What's good with y'all boys? As y'all can see, I got the goods in the bag. If you don't know what's in the bag, go watch my last vid. You'll find out there. But anyway, man, I got the goods in the bag. We are currently at my local, come on, walk with me, walk with me. We are currently at my local gun range. And today, I'm gonna be shooting my 43X for the first time. Now, when I first bought my 43X, I ain't never shoot it. Never shot a 43X in my life. I just got persuaded to buy the junk because I wanted to buy a Glock anyway. I was gonna get the 30, didn't get the 30, got the 43X. So now we here. So this is gonna be my first, my initial reaction to shooting my Glock, we gonna see how this junk go. I might do another vid later. Y'all know I got a Taurus. I might compare it to my Taurus. I got somebody with me. I got another guy with me. Come on, cameraman. Take it back. But yeah, man, we gonna go in here. I'm gonna shoot my Glock. And then I'm gonna hit y'all boys when we get into the range, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all boys. As you can see, we got the good. I'm about to head in here. Get active, man. See what this Glock talking about. That's why you can't take kids nowhere, bro. Man, I'm nice with my Taurus, man. Look at the grouping. Grouping looking real nice. That was with my Taurus. I ain't shot the Glock yet. I'm gonna let my young boys shoot the Taurus, let them get a feel for it. He nervous, look at him. We only gonna give him like 5 rounds to start out. Let him get used to it.
I'm afraid I put too much gun.
Take the safety off.
Yeah, I'm saying like, my hand.
Yeah, your hand's good, like that. Just hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Oh yeah, I feel better when you're a little behind. I got up to the part now.
You only got 5 bullets.
Yeah, I got build to it.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Man, you're a good fucking shot.
Huh?
You're a good fucking shot.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know, I got it.
What you think, bruh? What you think?
I don't know. I don't even know
It's
what I
good for
hit.
your first time.
Hey, I
He ain't never
I
shot
almost hit the stomach. But finished it.
He ain't going nowhere. He ain't moving. Might run away a little bit. Might bleed out. All right, man. I done taught my young boys a little bit of shooting, gun safety, all that. We're gonna keep shooting. I'm gonna throw some clips in there. Y'all gonna see it. We just gonna enjoy the range, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get back to that Glock. I'm gonna keep working with my baby boy right here.
Told her I ain't want no kids, so she keep it, I'm spurned on. My chick go around 150, I still ain't putting no insurance on. They speaking about the smoke on a podcast, you put insurance on it. Hung my jersey up, but bro still got for Patrick Ewing on me. Don't think she give a fucking different rap than doing story time. Yeah, I hear that shit. Damn, but hoes try to post some mess, ain't get no clout, shit or nobody. Twin, don't forgive that nigga belts, he my clothes stylist. I love you great, they telling me what to say. Me a ghost rider, they cut her AK up, caught it to Drake. Like a dinosaur in the field, but he still living with his mama, like the water boy. Hope the marshals ain't somewhere outside, in the unmarked. The mayor died, I was lifting up big casket with my auntie son. Let 19 years to die, so fast in like Ramadan. Wish I could replay bro scoring paints on a jumbotron.
Alright, man. I'm about to shoot that 43X. It's my first time ever shooting it, so give me some grace. We're gonna see how this don't go. I ain't gonna lie. That was bad.
As you can see, just walk in. 1, 2, 3. That's me. That's him and him.
This is my first time ever shooting a gun. With my TARS, I was smacked.
I'm just saying. 1, 2, 3. I like that.
That one look a little better. I just gotta get it a little bit tighter. I'll be good. I'll be Gucci. You want to shoot? I ain't gonna lie, you shot better with this one. That's all you. All
See?
that's you.
The game plan was, you said I had to get better at my grouping, so you see, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's me right there.
That's the game plan.
Yeah.
Alright, man. So this is the last shooting challenge of the day. We got the TARS, we got the Glock, we got the target. We're gonna have a little shoot off. It's gonna be them two versus me. We each get 15 bullets. We gonna see who hit the most targets. Whoever win can say they the true shooter. If it go to overtime, we got a few extra bullets, so we gonna see, man. I'm gonna put these bullets in and get them right. He picked the TARS. Skates picked the Glock. I'm gonna use the Glock. I'm a better shooter. I'm gonna use the newer gun that I ain't shot with. Cause if I had the TARS, I would have whooped him. So I'm gonna use the Glock too. Challenge, man. I'm gonna put these.
Be thankful for your life right now, cause life is really blessing. And you work this way up to the pounds, you gotta peep the strategy. Break them hoes down, nigga. Powerhouse from the 3. Load them up, nigga. I swear they hit with full capacity. I be quick to hit the road, soon the city gets slow. I need my nut to pack, nigga. I need my God, I seen gold. I need my cash money, nigga. Exact what you owe. Niggas hop up in this stew and whole time, nigga. Keep on digging in the dirt, you gon' find a diamond, huh? Hustle at your hardest, you gon' make it, and that's a promise, huh? I'm not really worried about that shit if ain't about money, huh? You can't chill me on my spot, my nigga, I ain't no dummy, huh? Keep on whipping it, my nigga, cause it's looking lumpy, huh? She gon' leave a nigga, cause I cheated, don't end up me, huh? Dog said the patch jumping, nigga, like bungee. I gotta be the boss of this like Stone Cold Steve Austin. He wanna get up out that situation, gotta stack that pay, I'm grinding right now. In the future, I see better days.
Alright, man. So they got Beavis and Butthead, Dumb and Dumber, Matt and Jeff Hardy. 7 out of 15. So I gotta get 8 out of 15 to beat them. I think I'm gonna do 10 on the Glock and then 5 on the TARS. If I start hitting too good with the TARS, I might just do all Glock to give him a fair shot. I'm gonna load these bullets up and I'm gonna get to it. What is he doing?
Kill it.
That's why you can't take people nowhere. They act like that. They act like this. Y'all see what I did there? They act like clowns. Alright, man. So it looked like I got 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 was you, ain't it? These 2 was you. That one was you. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. Right to the dome, nigga.
You still won.
I still got 5 more shots. I got 5 right now. 5 out of 10. That's 50%. I can take that.
We shot under 50%.
50% and I only shot the gun 2 times?
We
We're
went
gonna
7
hop
for
into the
15.
TARS. Look, get on me. I'm gonna hop into the TARS. I got 5 bullets. I'm gonna shoot them. I'm gonna win the game. I'm gonna beat them. I'm calling 9 out of 15. So I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna hit 3 shots out of 5. What'd I say? I'm him. All right, man. As y'all boys can see, we had a little successful day at the range. You know, I pulled out my G3. You know, I was deadly with that. Shot my Glock for the first time. It was pretty smooth, nothing crazy. Ain't really got too many complaints, you know. I feel like it's a smooth shooting gun. I don't know what they got going on. These guys are weird. I feel like it was a smooth shooting gun. It was a good day. I had Lil Homie 1 and Lil Homie 2 with me behind the camera. He don't need to be seen right now. Anyway, I had Lil Homie 1, Lil Homie 2. They were shooting pretty smooth, bro. You don't gotta be doing all the moving, bro. Just, I'm the main focus, all right? Anyway, they were shooting pretty smooth, bro. I taught them boys how to shoot, you know, the fundamentals, the basics, the safety of gun etiquette. You know, we all about safety on this channel. We all about doing things safe. From your knee to your elbow.
Might pop
From
up
not-
30 seconds after the video.
From not putting your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot, to always having that aim down range. But yeah, man, great vid. Let me know if y'all want to see another vlog. I'm thinking about doing a Glock versus TARS vid, you know, just because I'm so used to shooting my TARS. See how the Glock rank up against my TARS as my EDC, you know. With all that being said, man, I appreciate the love on the last vid. Road to 1,000 views on that joint. I think we had like 700 right now. That's really it, man. Love the Glock. Pretty smooth shooting. I adjusted to it well. Took my boys out the crib, got them right. Showed them a little shum. I'm gonna see y'all boys on the next vlog, man. Without further ado, I'm gonna holler at y'all boys.